Dear students, life is full of ups and downs. Sometimes we are sad and sometimes we are glad. In spite of it, we should do our responsibility because of our civilization. And we are trained to do so because we are culturized. If we cut the gold into two pieces and again we split, again we split, again we split, the smallest part will also be the gold. In the same manner, whatever will be the situation, we should never compromise with our truth, honesty, sincerity, generosity, liberty, and above all, curiosity. Your curiosity will make you eligible to overcome the situation, whatever is coming in the form of the circumstances. You are deeply connected with your surroundings and the people who are living near you. In spite of it, you have strategy, you have diligence, then everything will be recorded. Your assiduousness will make you eligible to face the circumstances and overcome the situation. So, be honest towards your life, towards your diligence, towards your assiduousness. Your industrious act will always be fruitful. I think your hard work will make you eligible to succeed everywhere. Such situation will try to influence you. Like in this winter season, you will feel cold. In the summer season, you will feel heat. In spite of it, in the rainy season, the same thing will take place. You will feel the muddy surroundings and the problem of the rain. In spite of it, you are maintaining, you are adapting, you are doing adjustment. So in the same way, lockdown and then of course lockdown, the impact of the COVID-19 virus, these are prevalent, but nothing can defeat your will. They can defeat up to some extent your skill, but they can never ever defeat your will. So let's awake and then run. Run means what? Run mentally. You have to achieve a lot of things. A giver is always great and greater than everything. So be a giver in place of a receiver. To receive, God is ready to provide you. So just observe the qualities of the God. But nothing is to learn from this world. You just speak truth and listen and have a filterization nature, collect the positivity and give up the negativity. Live your life with prosperity and humility and generosity and liberty of the truth. Thanking you all. Have a nice day.